What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to Fully Geeking Out. It's your boy, the head geek himself, Eddie, back with another video. So I have been looking for a Raptor light for my stock TRD off-road grill, and I have run into two major problems. The first problem is that most of the Raptor lights are made for the TRD Pro grill, which I don't have. The second problem is that the custom adapters made to fit the Raptor lights to mount to the stock TRD off-road and sport, these adapters don't fill the grill gaps or come with the Raptor lights. Until now. I found these custom Raptor lights on Etsy that fill the grill gaps, and they come with pre-installed lights. I will leave the Etsy store information in the description below. These lights come in 4 colors: amber, smoke amber, white, and smoke white. Let's get started and let's install these bad boys. These lights are a breeze to install. Just make sure to read the instruction guide for more details. The first step is to install the 2 center lights. Each of the center Raptor lights will have a longer end, and these longer ends will match up and wrap around the Toyota emblem. So the light with the longer end on the right goes on the left side of the Toyota emblem. The light with the longer end on the left goes on the right side of the Toyota emblem. If you made it this far into the video, please make sure to crush that like button. Helps out the channel. Then install the 2 other Raptor lights. Don't worry, the other 2 lights are the same size and shape. They can be installed in any order. Run the wiring harness without connecting anything from the fuse box to the front grille. Now plug in the Raptor lights into the wiring harness. Loosen up the ground bolt and install the ground wire. Open up the fuse box, and now it's time to make a choice. Do you want the Raptor lights to come on with your headlights or your fog lights? I went with the headlights. If you wanted the Raptor lights to come on with your fog lights, then just unplug the fuse, the fog fuse, and plug in the Raptor lights. Time for cleanup. You're done. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of these Raptor lights on a non-pro TRD grill? Do you like the look of the other adapters better than this one? Let me know what you think. And remember to hit that subscribe button for more videos. I'll see you geeks on the flip side. Peace.